Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Honda Civic versus the Corvette. We'll explore how these two iconic vehicles, despite both being cars, cater to vastly different needs and desires. From their fundamental design philosophies to their everyday usability, understanding these distinctions is key to appreciating what each brings to the automotive world. Let's dive into their core characteristics. When it comes to performance, the Civic typically offers engines ranging from 158 to 315 horsepower, focusing on efficiency and smooth rides. The Corvette, however, starts with over 490 horsepower, designed for exhilarating acceleration and precise handling. This translates to a vastly different driving experience, with the Corvette built for speed and agility, while the Civic excels in urban and highway comfort. Practicality is where these two diverge sharply. The Civic, a four-door sedan or hatchback, comfortably seats 5 and offers generous trunk space, making it ideal for families or daily errands. The two-seater Corvette prioritizes performance over utility, with minimal cargo capacity. Financially, a Civic might start around $25,000, while a Corvette typically begins closer to $70,000, reflecting their distinct market positions and features. Ultimately, your choice depends on your priorities. If you need a dependable, economical vehicle for daily commuting and family life, the Honda Civic is an excellent fit. If you crave a thrilling driving experience, track-ready performance, and a statement-making sports car, the Corvette is your clear winner. Both are exceptional in their categories, serving very different automotive passions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.